everyone, welcome back to my channel, The 4 Hours. Today is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. Yes, family, it is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. So right here, I am going to decorate for Christmas. So I'm going to decorate my mantle for the Christmas holidays. Already taken everything down from the fall. So now I have my command hooks in place. I might have to add 1 or 2 more. Yes, so we're going to decorate the mantle, and we will start doing the garland first, and I'm going to use 2 or 3 different garlands. So come along with me. Let's get started. Okay, family, so this is the garland that I'm using. This is a garland that I use all year round. It's very full, it's very flowing, and I just bring 2 of the branches together and drape it in the middle. This is like a willow garland, like a hanging garland instead, straight across. So now we're just going to go ahead and add another garland onto it. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the other garland, and this garland, it is a pine cone, and I went also and added the lights on. So I'm going to add another garland onto it. Okay, so I added the gold leaf garland, and then I added another pearl white garland. So I think now it is okay for now. So let us go ahead and add some balls in there, okay? Okay, so this is what I have added onto the garland. Some gold balls, some white garland pearls, and I think it is beautiful. So now I'm going to take the lights off, and we're going to work on top of the mantle. Come along with me. Okay, family, I moved baby Jesus and put him in the middle, and then I put the reindeer there and Santa over here. So I think this coordinates a little better. And then I have another reindeer over here, and then I have my nutcrackers, and I have one of them is elevated, and then I just have these little ornaments with pearls on it. So this is how my fireplace mantle in the front room for 2024 is looking like. So let me step back so you could get a good look at the whole space. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I step back. And family, I almost forget to mention, this is a collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY and designed with Emma. I think there are other hosts. I will have their description in the box below. And this is called Decorate My Space. So on the garden, I went ahead over here and I added in the cowbells right there. And I think that's cute. I only did it on one side. Okay, so if you do like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment in the box below, and I will see you in my next video, or I am at yours.